Hello everyone and welcome to Dino Outdoors. In this video, I'm going to test out this portable cordless pressure washer from Cordaz. I'll start off by going over the specs and details of this pressure washer, followed by a quick assembly overview, and finally we'll give it a real world test to see how well it performs, so stick around. All right, let's get this opened up and take a look at what's all included. Inside, you're going to find your instruction manual, a 16.5 foot siphon hose, a siphon filter, a pair of quick connect couplings, a foam cannon, a 3 amp hour 21 volt lithium battery with included charger, a multi-function spray nozzle. What's nice about this spray nozzle is it has 6 different functions built into the end of the nozzle. It's going to be clearly marked on the outside, the degree of each nozzle. And to adjust it, all you do is line it up with the arrow. And finally, we have our pressure washer gun. The spray gun features 652 PSI at 1.3 gallons per minute. It features a 35-minute runtime with the included 21 volt 3 amp hour battery. Has a nice wide trigger handle with a safety lock included and uses a 500 watt powerful motor. The unit weighs 2.42 pounds excluding the battery and gross weight of 6.83 pounds including pressure washer, batteries, and accessories. An approximate charge time of this battery is 2 to 3 hours. Now let me walk you through the assembly process, which is pretty straightforward. Start off with your 6-way adjustable nozzle. It's going to slide in. There's some grooves on here. Push it in and turn it clockwise until it stops. It should look just like this, with this piece facing downwards when it's fully secured. Next, find your siphon hose and your quick connect pieces. Unscrew the orange piece off of the end of your quick connect and slide that over the hose. Then insert the tube over the end of the nipple on your quick connect and then retighten the screw. Then with the other end of the hose, you're going to find your siphon filter and just firmly attach that over the end of that nipple. Then you can attach the quick connect onto the end of your gun. Just pull back and snap it on. Make sure it's fully seated. And finally, you can insert the battery. And that's it. That's all there is to assembling this. And now your pressure washer is ready for use. Now let's go give it a test and see how well this performs. Before we begin this test, I highly recommend wearing a pair of safety glasses before using any type of pressure washer. I have the siphon hose in a 5-gallon bucket and it is attached to my pressure washer. So we're ready to go. So the first thing I'd like to do is show you guys the patterns of each nozzle and what it'll look like. So we have it set to 0 here. And this is what 0 looks like. Takes just a second to get primed up. Get the air out of the lines here. There we go. So that's what 0 looks like. Now we'll set it to 15 degrees. $25 degrees. $40 degrees. I'm not sure exactly what that is. I think it's just like a stream. Okay, that's what that looks like. And finally, our last pattern here, which is going to be like a rain shower. This is perfect for watering your plants. So not only can this pressure washer be used to clean, it can also be used for watering your plants as well. So now for the first test, I'm going to set the nozzle to 40 degrees and we're going to see if it can remove some of this dirt here. And to be fair, I did pre-soak the rock just a little bit to help loosen some of the dirt. So just maybe a little bit, not much. Let's take it down to the 25 degrees. So that did a little bit better. Now let's take it down to 15 degrees. But it does do the job. And the fact that it's portable and you can take it with you anywhere is a benefit, because you're not going to be able to carry out a gas or electric pressure washer to some situations where you need to clean. Now let's check out the 0 degree stream here. So yeah, there's definitely a lot of pressure coming out now on 0. Of course, you're not going to want to use this on your vehicle. You can use this on stone. It helps loosen the dirt. Let's try 15 over in this section again. Yeah, 15 degrees cleans pretty good actually. And now for the final test, I'm going to see how well it performs cleaning the vehicle. This vehicle does have a lot of dirt on it. With the included foam cannon, I do have it mixed up with some MJJC's foam shampoo. So we'll mix that up well here and get it connected and give it a test. Here's an up close look before we wash it. And then we'll take a look at it after. See how well, if there's enough pressure to clean our vehicle. First I'm gonna pre-soak it. Then we're going to change out the nozzle. So you want to push in and a quarter turn counterclockwise, the nozzle pulls out to insert the foam cannon. Push it in all the way. Make sure you got it. If you don't have it in all the way, it's not going to turn. So you want to get it seated in there all the way and then the quarter turn and it's ready to go. We'll let that sit a minute and then we'll rinse it off. Okay, let's take a look, see how well it cleaned here. Did fairly well. There's still a few little water spots, a few little dried bugs and some road grime that it's not taken off completely. But you're gonna need to do a little bit of scrubbing with a car wash mitt to get that off. I think that's on there pretty good. But overall, I think it did a fantastic job cleaning. I think overall this pressure washer did a great job cleaning the vehicle for not using a mitt on it and scrubbing out that hard dried on dirt, obviously the pressure is not going to be as strong as your gas or electric pressure washers, but that is to be expected. And this thing is battery operated, lightweight, and portable. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys found this video informational and helpful as well in choosing your next portable pressure washer. I really enjoy the functionality of the 6-in-1 nozzle, giving you the ability to change out the fan with just a quick turn of the end here. And I find that the overall length of the hose is adequate enough for most situations and not going to be too long and get in your way or tangled up as well. The overall weight of this pressure washer gun is light enough that you can carry it around with you all day long without getting fatigued. I've been seeing up to 35 minutes of runtime with the included 3-amp-hour battery. If you are going to need longer run times, I suggest purchasing another battery. If you guys are interested in checking out this pressure washer, I'll have a link in the description. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave those in the comment section. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Dino.